The video of a cat screaming and my cat got scared and is now hiding.
This is the devil herself. I know danger when I see it.